In this video, I would like to share a small tuning trick. For those who think the sound coming out of your IEM is too dry or the high frequency produces some irritating harsh notes from time to time, you can try this method. It is just my own experience. If you don't believe in this kind of sound changes, that's perfectly alright. I found this kind of dust-proof mesh for IEM. It was originally used to prevent dust and earwax from entering the earphone. After a few attempts, I found the dust-proof mesh of different densities and materials also have some subtle effect on the sound. Of course, the change mentioned here won't make your IEM sound like a different pair of earphones. But for some minor issues, maybe this little change is just what you need. For my Shuoer Soloist, we're going to use a fine mesh filter with 300 density made of nylon material. There are plenty of size options for different nozzles. The set comes with some installation tools. Each mesh already has a glue ring attached. It can be sticked directly on the nozzle. The Shuoer Soloist is one of the most special IEM of single dynamic driver that I have. It has the natural, loose reverb sound of a dynamic driver. In addition, it also provides a higher sound density than a common dynamic driver. The resolution and the tuning taste are both fantastic. But above all, the most intriguing part is the low frequency of the Soloist. It's a very special and flexible kind of low frequency. The control of the bass is impressive. The bounce speed is super fast. When listening to some electronic and instrumental music, it brings such a unique feeling. The only small imperfection that exists is the vocal part sounds a bit dry to me. After using this dust-proof mesh, I found the vocals are a bit more moistened. If you also have an IEM with a harsh high frequency or slightly dry vocals, you should try this method.